Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this Lego set with these little flowers. We want to have a quick look. Yeah, so I would say we rip this open, or we take the knife, because apparently it's not as easy as I thought it would be. Come on, let's get you out of here. And then we will just do a quick build and call it a day. And yeah, as you can see, there is just a small amount of pieces, more than you would expect, to be honest, for flowers. And basically how it works, you just look how to build them, and I will do that in a second. It's just gonna be stick together pretty basically, and this is what they look like when we finished. And then we have some little nice flowers. They move a little oddly if you ask me, and I don't like the leaves on the sides. They could have done a better job on making them, but all in all it's a decent set, especially for the price. It's pretty cheap, and you can definitely use them as decoration somewhere if you are into Legos. It's an option you definitely can choose, and I would say that's it for today.